Hello everyone, I am Bala. In today's video, we're going to see how to create a Kubernetes cluster on GCP using Rancher. So pre-request Google Cloud Platform GCP account, local machine or Jump server. I'm using Jump server with Ubuntu operating system. So let's we get start. Step 1. Install Docker on local machine or Jump server. I have in my Jump server, I have already installed Docker. I'm moving to step 2. So installing Rancher on a Jump server. So to install Rancher on a Jump server, follow this link. In this link, they have provided the command how to get installed. So this is the link. So just copy this link and paste it. Okay, ensure Docker is process is running. Give Docker PS. Yes. So the Rancher is currently up and running. To access the Rancher web UI, use the public IP address of Jump server. Copy this public IP address and access via browser. Click advance, accept the risk and continue. Set the admin password. Set the base URL. Great. So we got the web UI. So currently it doesn't have any cluster. So we're going to add the cluster now. So before getting the cluster add in the Rancher, so create a service account. So go to GCP and create a service account. Click IAM and click service account. Click create service account. So I'm providing the name Rancher SC, Rancher service account. Click create and select the role. Under the project, I am providing owner role. Click continue. Click create key. So download the key. Click done. Copy the key contents. I'm pasting the video. Click add cluster. Select Google GKE and provide the cluster name and copy paste the service account, the key file which we downloaded. Click configure nodes. It's getting authenticate with the GCP account. Okay, and I'm reducing my node count to 2 and my root disk size to 20 GB just for demo and click create. So the cluster creation will take another 5 minutes. So I'm pausing the video for few minutes. Okay, the cluster is has created successfully and currently it's in active state with the Google GKE provider and with the 2 nodes. Great. So you can see the cluster details by clicking the cluster and you can check the nodes. You can get the how much CPU is used, memory and the pods, how many pods currently deployed and click the nodes and get the node details So we have deployed with the two workers node, so it's showing as a two workers node with active states. Okay, great. So we have deployed the cluster successfully now. Now let me launch the kubectl via Rancher. Instead of installing kubectl command on our jump server, by using Rancher web console itself, we are going to launch our kubectl to communicate with our cluster by using command line. So type some basic commands. Kubectl get kubectl cluster info. We are getting response. Yeah, great. And also, suppose you want to communicate with your cluster by using command line, by using kubectl, which we install on jump server, that also possible. So you can install kubectl. The link has provided in the GitHub. By using this link, you can install kubectl. In my jump server, I have already installed kubectl. So I'm just checking the version. Okay, I have installed kubectl version 1.17. Access the Kubernetes cluster, GKE cluster from the jump server. For that, copy the kubeconfig file from Rancher console and go to your jump server and create a directory .kube and create a file under .kube config and paste the contents. Now let me try to communicate to our Kubernetes cluster. So I'm again passing the same command kubectl cluster info. Great. So we are able to communicate to the GKE cluster from kubectl by using command line. Okay. So now we have installed GKE cluster on GCP via Rancher. Let me do a small deployment. So we can do the deployment from Rancher. Let me see a small demo by deploying nginx container on this cluster. Okay. So for that, go to cluster, go to click default. And currently there is no workload, that means no deployment currently. So I'm doing a deployment, click deploy, and I'm naming this as nginx, and the docker image I'm making it as nginx and deploying on a default namespace, and the service, the port map I'm adding, the name is nginx and its default container port for nginx is 80 and deploying on a node port. Click launch. Great. So the deployment is currently active. Click the link and open the deployment. So the currently it's not opening because the firewall is not opened for this particular port number. Let me open the firewall for this port number. So for that, run this command. Okay, we have opened the port in the firewall. Now, yes, now we are able to open it. So that's it. Thank you.